Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Polish YouTube channel. And today we're going to compare a 2009 iMac 27 to our new 2019 iMac 27 and why we're able to produce videos so much quicker now. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, this is our 2009 iMac 27, and it's our video workhorse for the Grumman Pilots Association and our YouTube channel. We do a lot of work on that machine. Now let's take a look at what's inside of it. Now this is pretty much a garden variety 2009 iMac. It has a 1067 megahertz memory. It has a 1 terabyte hard drive. It came with 4 gig of main memory, and we upgraded it to 8 gig of main memory. And it has a 3.06 core, and it has 2 cores. So it was a good standard vanilla Macintosh that we have just pushed to its limit, and now we're looking to move to the new machine. Now let's meet the new Mac on the street, and this is a 2019 6-core iMac. Now here's our 2019 iMac. It's a 3.76 megahertz 6-core, 128 gig of main memory. That's all we can stuff in it. It has a 1 terabyte solid state hard drive, so it's very quick, and the memory is a 2067. So it's a much better improvement and a lot faster than our old machine. And now we're going to take a look at, the old thick machine that we have versus a new thin machine we have, and then we're going to look at a benchmark against color correcting, color grading, noise handling in the Final Cut Pro editor, and then we'll do it all right to disk, and we'll compare 2 different sets of files. Now on both of the iMacs we're running the same operating system. They both are about 200 gig filled of their 1 terabyte, so about 20% disk drive usage. We're using the editor for color correcting, color grading, noise removal, and also to write it all to disk. So our first file back in the day that we did, now in both of these files we did stabilization, color correction, color grading, and writing it out to disk. Now in the hour and 5-minute video we did on the 2009 machine, it took 36 hours and 34 minutes to complete all of that. Now on the new machine, a bigger file, 105 minutes, only took 16 minutes. Basically, it's 218 times faster, and that is how just a few days ago I was able to put 30 substantial 25-minute videos out in one day. 30 videos in a day. Not bad for an old iMac. But anyway, we hope you found all this useful and informative. File it away somewhere if you've got an older machine. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.